I feel like that's Nubian.
Nope, you're wrong.
Dang it!
We were young and we were free and running, never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing payment on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you.
Yes, that's right. We have 2 pails today because we are gonna milk Luna today and keep it. Except I'm not gonna drink it.
Stella, did you stick your leg in the chicken's egg or something?
We don't know what happened.
What's going on?
No, one dirty yellow leg.
One yellow leg. Okay, Stella, we'll clean it up for you. See Stella. There's Stella. Hi, Stella.
Kevin!
Okay. The grade is how wet my leg is.
Come on, this is your milk. You gotta survive. What if you were in the wild and you needed your milk?
Just because I drink the most milk out of everyone with my nuts and chocolate.
You drink my milk for me, 'cause I milk a ton, and I don't drink the milk.
She's just so hungry, she's waiting.
She's like shaking with like,
Yeah,
she wants to go so bad.
she sees it, she wants to eat so bad.
Oh, I know, I know.
Not all singleton goats prefer one teat. It's just like a random thing, and it just so happened that Stella decided she's gonna favor one teat.
She just sighed, she's like,
She sighed.
yeah.
Oh.
She's like chewing her cud, she's like trying to prepare herself. You're gonna eat so much.
She's doing good right now. She's not really biting you too much.
Yeah, she chews her cud instead.
Good job. I know, it's hard to be patient.
So cute.
You almost done there, Kevin?
Yeah, she's waiting.
I don't know.
Okay, maybe that's good. We'll leave that enough for Stella and Hope here.
Okay, here he goes. Oh my gosh,
Yay! It's like squirting out inside. Yum!
That is so delicious.
That is so delicious. Look at that froth forming on the side.
No, you can't switch. No,
No, stay on that side. The other side is for Stella.
Put their names. Use your label maker. Put their names.
I will. It would probably be valuable to teach Stella to eat on the other side too.
Yeah, it would be.
She drinks so
Because
much.
we're gonna keep her. She's gonna stay here a long time, and it would be nice. I don't know if forcing her to do it would teach her, but we could sure try.
Okay, someone's gotta go in there and block them. I wanna open.
Okay, I'll go in here and block it.
Oh my gosh, why are they not going in?
It's never gonna be mama. Let's guess which side she's gonna eat on.
Oh, she like sniffs it and then she goes away.
Luna's making sure that that's her baby. She's afraid that Hope is gonna come sneak some. Stella, you've got to eat from the other side too. I know. Wait, let's see if she switches.
What?
No, she just moves to the other side.
The other side
Stays on that one. Oh my gosh. Okay. So we just spotted Stella yesterday, or 2 days ago,
Couple days ago.
She's doing fine. Doesn't make her as pretty, but the hair will grow over and then she won't have those marks.
Here you go. Play with your friends.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations. Oh, 'cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken, 'cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I will always be by your side, 'cause you glue all the pieces back together.
Gotta do that again. And oh my word, you guys, these look amazing.
I'll be the judge of that.
These look really good. They turned out really well. I'm gonna keep this recipe.
zucchini?
Nope. Okay, try them in front of the camera. Go. Okay.
Banana.
Oh, you noticed the banana? Lydia.
Banana's like the worst fruit. I'm sorry if you like
guys-
bananas.
Please tell Lydia to stop being so picky.
I'm sorry. I don't like a healthy snack because I like good snacks.
Okay, you know what? We'll use applesauce next time because those are interchangeable. They're really good though. They just have a very light banana flavor. Most nut butter muffins are really dense, but this one's super light.
Yeah. It's like angel cake. Angel food cake.
Mm-hmm. Lydia.
Oh my gosh. This is like the 6th time, you guys.
This is.
They love us. We should feed them.
No. Oh my gosh. No.
Bad.
Get. Minnie, you're not doing your job.
Naughty ducks.
1, 2, 3.
You went too far over. That's fine. It's fine.
Okay. All right, guys. We have a couple more kiwi eggs that Kevin gathered this morning. He wasn't supposed to, so we're going to go place them back in the nest. And we're also gonna look for more kiwi eggs and see what she's up to.
All right.
Let's go.
Ow, my knee.
Dad fed Hope at lunchtime, but it's about time for her to eat again.
That's not an egg, is it?
Oh my word.
I think it's a chicken egg.
Nope. I think it's a kiwi egg.
No.
It's big.
Oh my gosh.
She just lays them everywhere. I just want to find one place, you know?
Yeah, she's like, no. I don't know.
Yeah, just leave them there for now because the pigs aren't gonna get them. Maybe us trying to make a nest isn't good.
Okay, let's go.
Some people said oils on our hand. We're like, we're not supposed to pick them up. But I don't know.
Oh, so I know.
Like, nope, I don't think there are any back here. Okay, so our current plan is to try to put the eggs anywhere that kiwi naturally lays.
Yeah.
Look, there's like an escape. Minnie!
Hey, get over here. Oh, she runs away.
She knows she's not supposed to escape to the pasture, but she does every day.
She's gonna sneak back.
She's gonna sneak all the way back. She climbs through the fence. So we're just gonna naturally see how we can let her start gathering a clutch of eggs. So
That was a bee, sorry.
instead of making one ourselves. So we'll see.
Okay. Oh, wait, only small side?
Yeah, only the small side. Got it?
Got it.
Okay.
What do we have?
Oh, stop trying to bite.
Hurry, get away. Oh my gosh, he's so bad. He comes and steals
He
milk.
does try to steal it.
You have a mom. Oh my gosh, they all try and eat.
That's probably enough. Always an adventure.
Oh.
Sticky and Harvey was trying to eat. So people always wonder, Lydia, if the babies try to drink from other moms, like how do the babies know? But it's not how do the babies know, it's how do the moms know.
Yeah, the baby's like Harvey, he just tried to drink from Luna.
Yeah.
They drink from whoever they want to.
Yeah, the babies will always try. It's the mamas who will make sure they don't.
bite them and get after them.
They sure love the teeter-totter though.
Yeah. Come on, go. Oh, Poppy follows me.
None of them like the slide. Maybe they just haven't been taught, Lydia. Maybe you should put them down.
It's not very fun to slip and fall on a slide.
That's true.
Hi.
So we gave Kiwi two options. She can either lay over there by the big mulberry tree or she can lay over in the nest that Ethan and I made the other day. So we'll see which one she chooses. Hopefully she chooses one of them.
Yeah.
We'll see. All right, so turn around first so you don't know which one is which.
Oh, okay.
Okay, turn around. First taste test.
Okay.
Is that the Nigerian milk or is that
Nubian.
Luna's milk? Or the Nubian milk? Okay, taste that and then you can taste the other one if you want. Okay.
I feel like I already know what that is.
Okay, taste it.
I feel like that's Nubian.
Nope, you're wrong.
Dang it!
Okay, Ethan. Turn around.
Okay. I'm an extra of
Okay.
milk, so.
Okay.
This is Luna's milk.
That's Luna's milk? You're wrong.
Wait.
You're wrong.
Oh no, that's like a little aftertaste.
Okay, Dad's turn. Let's see if he can tell the difference. All right, here you go. Here's your first one.
Why do we always have to turn around?
Because you can't see
Okay.
which one I'm pouring at.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, go.
Good. Good.
They're both good. Okay.
I have no idea, but they're good.
Oh, yeah, well, all right, I guess we won't tell you. The first one was Luna's.
Can I pour
but-
yours?
Okay, you can pour mine. Okay, here's my first one. All right. Okay.
Taste them both.
I gotta taste them both. Okay. Hold on.
Guess.
This is Luna's,
Dang it!
and this is the Nigerian.
You just guessed. That was
No,
a random
no,
guess.
I can tell because this is a little bit sweeter.
That's what I was trying to taste for, but I didn't taste it.
This is a little bit sweeter. This is more bland. but they're both good. Honestly, when I finally taste them together, I shouldn't say anymore that I don't like Luna's milk because they actually are so close. Okay, so the final verdict is that they both taste good.
Yeah.
And
Maybe
good milk.
Mini Nubian is the best.
Yeah, maybe
see.
Mini Nubian is the
We'll have
best
to
of
try
both
Stella.
worlds.
Yeah.
I knew you. I'm like waiting for you to say, ooh.
Ooh, it looks good.
Do you know what those are right there?
Biscuits?
Yes. Do you know what kind of biscuits they are?
Good ones.
Those red lobster cheddar bay biscuits.
Ooh.
So
Bis.
I get like my feet rubbed tonight by all of you. A hand and 2 feet rubbed at the same time.
Ethan, when I say "guh," you say "oats." Guh.
Oh.
No, you have to say "t."
Oh,
When I say "guh," you say "oats." Guh. No, when I say "go," guh. Okay, last time. When I say "guh," you say "oats." No, you are the worst at this. Oh, they're so hungry. Oh my goodness. Last time I taught you how to feel for a rumbly in their tumbly. Now I'm gonna teach you how to listen for a rumbly in their tumbly. Am I right, Ethan? Okay, so first thing, let's do Doris, because she's always have a rumbly in her tumbly, right? Okay, Ethan, come down here. Okay, open your ears. Ethan, are you opening them? Now, listen. Do you hear it?
I hear it.
He hears it! Have rumbly in their tumbly once again. Jeez, these fat goats. Say goodnight! Let's go. Oh, she's so fluffy. I love her so much. They're all trying to break out. Say goodnight. Okay, Ethan. Ethan, you know what time it is?
What?
It's lullaby time. We have to pick a song to sing to the baby goats, because they can't sleep without a bedtime song. Okay, goaties, gather around. You have to help me sing. You're the low voice. Okay, gotta help us, okay? What song? Since there's so many stars in the sky, none, let's sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Ready? Okay. Twink. Good night. We did it. The end.